Hello everyone, welcome back to Hum Tumor JavaScript. So today's topic is basically we are going to implement our own array map method. Okay, so we are going to write our own map method. So so let's start. Okay, so basically if you talk about map method, okay, so map, the syntax of map, okay, is like it will take, we apply method, okay, on an array. Okay, so array dot map, and then over here we have a callback function, okay, and then this reference. Okay, so this is optional. Okay, this reference is optional, and the callback function. Okay, so the callback function has three different like param. Okay, one is the current element, then the index of the current element, and the array itself on which the array method has been applied. Okay, so this is basically the syntax of array method. Okay, so for to implement that on our own, we need to basically we are doing polyfill. Okay, so you must be aware about JavaScript polyfill with so we are doing polyfill for array map method. Okay, in like technical term, we can say that we are doing polyfill. Okay, in simple term, we are implementing our own map method. Okay, so now to implement that, so we should go with like array dot prototype. Okay, prototype, and then we will write over here our own map. Okay, so equal to, we will use over here function, okay, which will have a callback function. Okay, so we are not using arrow method over here. Okay, we are using a normal function, not arrow function, because we are going to use this. Okay, and to use the same this in arrow method, sorry, arrow function, that will be more complicated, so we used to go with normal function itself. Okay, so now, so let's log and see what actually we are going to get. Okay, rather than just jumping into the solution first. Okay, let's log and see, and we will by slowly we will go line by line. Okay, so this also we will check what we are going in this. Okay, now we will have an array equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, this will work. Now we will do one thing, we will log. Okay, we will log. Okay, we will not log. Okay, we will normally call first. Okay, equal to, so array dot our own method, we will use our own method. Okay, then basically a callback function, basically item. Okay, and we will do item into 2. Okay, we will do 2. This will work. So this is okay. So now actually we have already logged this inside, so let us see what actually we are getting in callback and what we are getting in this. Okay, okay, so we can see in callback function, the callback argument, basically parameter, we have got the entire function item and this we have got the array. Okay, so now it will be easy for us to implement. Actually we know what is callback function, what is this. So what we will do, we will have an empty array. Let temp array, normally we can write arr. Okay, okay, we will initialize it as empty array. Okay, and then we will do a for loop. So now we have an array. Okay, we will do a for loop for let I equal to 0. Okay, I should be less than this dot length. Okay, now why, now you can see we are using this dot length. Okay, so why we are using this dot length, we will check the length. Okay, length of the array, and as I can see and as you also can see in this, what we were getting this array. Okay, so this dot length will be the length of this array. Okay, now what we will do, we will basically do, we will push the elements. Okay, within that array itself, the array which we have created now. Okay, so now what we have to do, see, in this array we have to push. Now as you are aware, like in the callback function, okay, we have three different this one, okay, we have current element, we have index of element, and we have array itself. So we need to provide all this to the current like implementation also. Okay, so we cannot push just the element over here. Okay, we need to push everything. Okay, so what we will do, we will directly push this, the callback, we will push the callback function, okay, along with the parameters. Okay, so the first parameter will be this dot, it will not be this dot, it will be this dot index I, basically this dot I. So what will happen, this will be the array and ith will be the location, or we can say index of the array. So using this we can get the current element within that array. Okay, so that is done. Next, what we used to give is like index of current element. So index will be normally directly we can write I. Okay, and the third one is array itself. So over here the array is this, in the this we were getting the array itself. Okay, now you can see, and what we can do, like, and last at the end we need to return, sorry, not err, it's arr. Okay, so why it's giving me error? So already array dot push we have done, so that is also done. Still we are getting an error, so because this has been done, for loop is also done. Need array dot push callback function, this has been closed over here. Okay, this has been closed over here. Result is like, where are we facing the issue? It's like ARR is there. We have done this dot this is done. Sorry. Actually, the keyword is wrong. Okay, so now we have implemented it. Okay, we have implemented it likewise itself. Okay, so let us log over here, and even I will log over here also, so that we will see array we returning. Okay, ARR which we are returning over here will be the final result. Okay, okay, so we have implemented our own like, and like we have used it like, what should be the output, like output should be 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 and likewise. Okay, so let us see what we are getting. Okay, so you can see array which we are returning the same. Okay, so we have got the same output which we required over here. Okay, okay, so you can see how we have implemented map method, okay, of our own, and we can like this act as a polyfill itself. If some in somewhere, for example, just take it as a rare case, this is not going to happen, so map is not working, so you can implement this and you can use it. Okay, in the upcoming videos we are going to implement other functions also, like we will try to like implement array method, basically array, other array method also, using the like our own implementation basically. Okay, so if you like this video, do like it, okay, and subscribe my channel, and do check our like other post, other video also, and in the description you can find the document. Over there I used to paste all the codes. Okay, so you can copy that from there if you need it. Thank you.